friends. Today is the 14th of Sivan in the year 5778. My husband and I agreed last night to burn the 2 Sheitels wigs that we own. These 2 wigs are expensive human hair wigs that we bought 3 years ago in New York prior to our wedding. It came to my attention last summer that the wig was bringing immodesty into my life. I decided to stop wearing wigs. Since everything that happens comes from Hashem, I viewed it as a communication from Hashem to me that the wig was too immodest. In February 2018, I saw videos from Rabbi Yaron Reuven that most of the wigs in the world have hair that is from Avoda, Zara, idol worship. We were told that these wigs were made from European hair, but the likeliness that some or all of the hair comes from India via sacrifices to idols is too high to discount. For this reason, I am not giving the wigs away to anyone. Idol worship is forbidden by Hashem for Jews and non-Jews, and the wigs must therefore be destroyed. Bracha and Hatzlacha to all.